What's up, guys? So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going thrifting, and when I go thrifting, it either goes really good or really bad. Sometimes I find decent stuff, sometimes I find nothing. I think when you go thrifting, you have to have a plan in mind of what you want. For example, I'm going to look for like button shirts that I can crop, or just any t-shirts that I can crop, because I think that look is so cute right now. And I think if you don't go with a plan, you don't know what you're looking for, and I think you'd get overwhelmed, because that's what happened to me. If I don't have a plan, if I don't know what I want, I get overwhelmed by looking through everything, and I end up not finding anything because I'm like, whatever, nothing in here is good. So I think you have to have a plan, and that's what I'm going to be looking for, because I just think button shirts, like collared button shirts, cropped, are so cute, and that's like Brandy Melville style, whatever. Also, random fun fact, last year around this time I shot a whole video but never posted it because I was too scared to post it because I didn't know what people would think of me. But I wish I did post it because I would be a year in by now, but nope. So I ended up getting the maroon long sleeve button up and the Fila zip up, and I got the black button up long sleeve, and then I also got this. I didn't try it on, but I figured I could do something with it. It's just a black long sleeve turtleneck, and yeah, I'm gonna try these on and I'm going to see what I can do with them. Here's the maroon long sleeve, but I think I'm gonna crop it to like right here. Here's the Fila zip up, and I also think I'm gonna crop this one like right here. I'm just using scissors to cut where I want to crop it. Me using these like elementary school scissors trying to cut clothes is not gonna work. So this black button down reminded me of Brandy Melville because of like the buttons, and I think I'm gonna cut it so it's just a little shorter, maybe up to the buttons, I'm not sure yet. Okay, and here's the turtleneck that I got. I think it's cute. We can work with it. Everyone needs a turtleneck in their wardrobe for fall. Probably should have got something to draw straight lines. So if you go thrifting and you want to crop stuff, make sure you get something to draw a line to make sure your line is straight. But we're just winging it, and I think it's going pretty good.